How to get rid of a black eye, 6 amazing home remedies that really works. 1. Papaya. Papaya contains an essential enzyme called bromelain. This protein-digesting enzyme bromelain exhibits powerful effects in reducing bruising, swelling, inflammation and pain. Mash a fresh papaya chunks using the back of a slotted spoon. Place the mashed papaya chunks against the black eye. Allow the papaya pulp to remain on the injured eye for a couple of minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. You will notice marked change in the swelling and pain. 2. Ice pack. This is a classic home remedy to treat black eye. An ice pack placed on the bruised region can help to reduce swelling and pain. The cold which radiates from an ice pack helps to constrict blood vessels. This in turn helps to curtail internal bleeding. For this particular home remedy, fill an ice bag with ice cubes and place the bag, flush against the injured eye. Hold the ice pack against the eye for at least 20 minutes. You will notice a marked reduction in the swelling around the eyes. 3. Parsley. The amazing anti-inflammatory and anesthetic properties of parsley can help to heal a black eye in next to no time. In fact, people have been using this particular herb for centuries to get rid of a black eye. You can prepare this particular home remedy by placing fresh parsley leaves and crushed ice in a blender. Blend the ingredients till they reach a smooth consistency. Pour the parsley blend into an ice cube tray and place the tray in the freezer. After a couple of hours, remove the parsley cubes and place them inside a clean face towel. Tie the ends of the towel with a thin string and then hold the towel against the affected eye for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Orange juice. Drink plenty of fresh orange juice to get rid of a nasty black eye. Orange juice contains high amounts of vitamin C. Drinking vitamin C-rich juices can help to heal bruises quickly. A person who has suffered a painful black eye is advised to drink at least 2 glasses of freshly squeezed orange juice twice a day till the shiner disappears completely. 5. Prunes. Along with vitamin C-rich orange juice, you can also include foods rich in vitamin K like prunes to heal black eye quickly. Medical studies have indicated that vitamin K is a powerful antioxidant which can check internal bleeding as well as heal damaged blood capillaries. Furthermore, consuming foods rich in this particular nutrient will also ensure accelerated healing of the delicate tissues that line the eyes. To get rid of black eye quickly, eat at least 3 to 4 dried prunes every day or till such time as the hideous black eye disappears. 6. Tea bags. A wet tea bag placed against a black eye can work miracles in reducing the inflammation around the eyes. The tannins in tea can help to retard internal bleeding. Dip 1 or 2 tea bags in a bowl of warm water. Squeeze out the excess water and then place the damp tea bags against the injured eye. Allow the tea bags to remain on the affected eye for at least 15 minutes. You will notice a perceptible difference in the swelling and bruising around the eyes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on like button. Please share this important video with your friends and family. If you have any question, please leaving a comment in the comment section below. We will try to answer with you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to our channel and share this channel on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Google.
Yeah.